Imagine a place that combines historic landmarks with mind-blowing activities while being surrounded by a beautiful mountainous landscape. A place that you can bring your family for a weekend getaway or just grab a friend for a day of exploring. Harpers Ferry National Park has something for everyone. Whether you're into the exhilarating activities such as Harpers Ferry zipline, canopy tour, whitewater rafting, canoeing, and inner tubing, or you're more interested in exploring the historic exhibits like the museums, battlefields, and trails, Harpers Ferry is where you want to be. After a jam-packed day of discovering the beauty that is downtown historic Harpers Ferry, or waking up in the morning feeling refreshed, you'll continue your adventure, but this time in Maryland. A short walk from downtown to the railroad bridge will put you in the Maryland Heights hiking trail. You can choose between a path with a slight incline that is easy to walk, which will get you to the top in about an hour, or a more intense hike that will cut your time to about 15 to 20 minutes. Whatever you choose, the view is breathtaking. With an outlook of all of downtown Harpers Ferry, the convergence of the Potomac and the Shenandoah rivers, the Baltimore and Ohio railroad tracks crossing over the river, and the beautiful natural backdrop, it's definitely a view you don't want to miss. Historic Harpers Ferry. Visit, experience, explore.